Alright guys, this is my 2018 Ford F150 single cab, rocking a Daylight Performance twin turbo kit. Truck was built by Got Boost NYC. Shout out to Nick and the crew. Truck is gonna be a monster. Stay tuned. Shout out to the team, One Stock Gang. That is it.
Too hard. He turned it up too much.
Yeah.
This TRX right here. This thing is fire, ain't gonna lie. Sickest one I ever seen. Fully gutted, like every. Look at inside. Tough. Reaper tune.
I'm starting mine up.
This one is fire too.
What? I didn't do anything yet. I think it was just too aggressive that time.
Crazy.
Just whatever, the track couldn't hold whatever it was.
What's going on YouTube? I'm back with another video. Today I'll be taking out, I'll be going to the shop real quick and checking out some stuff, but I do got some bikes. I don't know if you guys want me to start doing like bike content. I could definitely do one on the R6 or a dirt bike content if you guys do need. So let me know. But right now I'll be riding to the shop real quick. I'm gonna ride the dirt bike right now. Finally made it to Merrick. Yeah. I need to stand for this bike, and alright. So let me know if y'all want dirt bike content. I'm gonna do a video on this X4M. I ain't gonna lie, this is fire. Turbo kit and everything on it. This is Merc twin turbo R8. We're gonna do a video on this soon too. Alright, as I was saying before guys, this is Merc's twin turbo R8. We're gonna do a ride along in this soon. It's clean. Same color as my car. Then this X4M, right? Yeah, I got this X4M right here. This is the truck hot killer right here. Sorry you guys. Yeah, y'all gonna see. We got American everybody here. Just chilling. But tomorrow we're going to the track, so I'll continue the video tomorrow when we on our way to the track, or we at the track. Alright, so I just pulled up to the shop, but got a couple supporters that want to buy a merch, so I'm gonna go get some merch for them and come back. What's going on guys? So we just made it to the track with Isaac F150. So Today should be a good day. This is Isaac's first time like really bringing this to the track. It's a new build, twin turbo. So we'll see it do today. Pretty nice though. I ain't gonna lie. I think I need one. As a new build for the channel, what do you guys think? Should I get like a F150, M240, G80, or a Z01 Camaro, or even a Corvette? I'm surprised you let off you there now. It didn't spin.
I got nervous. I was nervous.
Yeah.
New platform, man. Forget used to the sauce, yeah?
You're mad though, not like. Yeah. First hit off the trailer. Tough, I ain't gonna lie. I just did this thing with this one. Swear. Damn.
Whatever you just did, you got to double check the setting because the first pass it came out perfect. Now it's coming out like
Too hard. He turned it up too much.
yeah.
Alright, we got a little lunch break right now. Got the glizzies right here. Is that car? Well, Isaac spun really bad on the second test pass, but we're gonna try to figure it out and see it goes from here. I'll keep you guys updated when we go back on track again. So Isaac going for the next pass. Isaac going for a next pass again. Let's see how he do this time. This time he'll not be doing a burnout. He's just gonna try to do maybe he trying to do like the rear wheel drive burnout, but only one of his tires spinning right now. So we're trying to figure out what's the problem, but we can't figure it out. So he says he's gonna just do like a full wheel drive burnout and see how that goes. Alright guys. Long time I'm not getting on fun back, you know. Last time I've been in the van back, it was in Jamaica, probably like how much years ago? I don't know, 6 years ago. Alright, this is Isaac's third pass. He's not even gonna do a burnout, nothing. I know. He's just going straight for it. I don't know if he'll spin or not, but he might spin. I'm not sure. We'll see. what you did different a while ago? Cause this one was definitely running. Right. You know, this leave good. This leave good. Maybe want to turn for some more now. I don't know. Nice.
That's more like.
We have somebody faster now, father.
Yeah, get in there, get in there, get in there.
Alright, this one is definitely the best pass so far.
Yeah, little by little, you get in there.
And no burn and it's still good.
Yeah.
Leave good.
Yeah. We just have to get, dial in the suspension, understand the tuning, stuff like that. But we're gonna get there, little by little.
Alright, turn you up more too.
That is it, that is it.
Work, Chuck. Alright guys, so today was a productive day, I ain't gonna lie. The truck did good. This is Isaac's first time out with the truck from its built. It's a stock motor truck, twin turbo, built trans. Did pretty good, I ain't gonna lie. No, and for the last pass he made, he didn't have a door burnt or anything. It left good, didn't really spin. So I'll definitely start making more truck videos. I'm gonna bring, whenever I get my Drake car, I'll bring it to the track, bring my car to the track, and just start posting more. Just subscribe, leave a like and comment.